Hello everyone, welcome to Tarano Speaking English. This lesson is for beginner English learners. Today, we practice English for traveling. Episode 6 is shopping for clothes. Listen slowly, repeat after me, practice every day. Speaking English is fun. Let's begin. Scene 1. Asking where clothes are.
Excuse me, where are men's clothes?
They are on the second floor.
Thank you very much.
Take the elevator.
This store is very big.
Yes, it has 5 floors.
I hope I don't get lost.
Don't worry, we will help you.
If I get lost, I will sleep here.
We close at 9 p.m. Yeah.
Scene 2. Looking at shirts.
I like this blue shirt.
It is very popular.
Do you have size M?
Let me check.
I want soft clothes.
This cotton shirt is soft.
Good for travel.
Here is size M.
If it is too small, I stop eating cake.
Only cake, not pizza?
Scene 3. Buying pants.
I need black pants.
What is your size?
Size 32, please.
Here you are.
They look nice.
They are very comfortable.
I walk a lot.
Good pants for travel.
I don't want pants that say, help.
These pants are quiet.
Scene 4. Asking about price.
How much is this shirt?
It is $25.
Is it on sale?
Yes, 10% off today.
That is good.
The final price is $22.
My wallet is happy.
Good shopping.
My wallet says thank you.
You are welcome.
Scene 5. Trying clothes.
Where is the fitting room?
It is over there.
Can I try this shirt?
Yes, of course.
This one is too tight.
Try size L.
This fits better.
It looks nice on you.
Now I can breathe again.
Good choice.
Scene 6. Buying shoes.
I need walking shoes.
What is your size?
Size 42.
Try these black shoes.
They feel light.
They are very comfortable.
Good for travel.
Yes, very strong shoes.
Now I can run fast.
Run to the cashier.
Scene 7. Buying a jacket.
I need a jacket.
It is cold today.
I like this gray one.
Do you need size M?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
It feels warm.
It looks good on you.
I look cool now.
Very cool.
Scene 8. Paying.
I am ready to pay.
The total is $70.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap here.
Done.
Payment successful.
Thank you very much.
Here's your receipt.
My card still works.
That is good.
Scene 9. Returning item.
I want to return this shirt.
What is the problem?
It is too big.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Do you want another size?
Size M, please.
This one fits better.
Now I don't look like a balloon.
Perfect.
Scene 10. Leaving the store.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are welcome.
The store is very nice, and
We are happy you like it.
I learned new English words.
That is wonderful.
Shopping is good practice for me.
Yes, please practice every day.
My bag is full. My wallet is on a diet.
Come back when your wallet is strong again.
Great job today. You learned English for shopping clothes. Please practice speaking every day. Repeat the lesson again. Thank you for watching Tarano Speaking English. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. See you next lesson. Keep practicing English. Goodbye.